Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share something that can completely change your meta ad experience. If you are running Facebook and Instagram ads and wants more conversion, then this video is definitely for you. So let's get started. Today we will talk about AIDA model. As AIDA model completely follows the natural thinking process of human being, that's why it always works. As we all know, people don't buy immediately, they go through a different stages, and this model helps them through these different stages. What is AIDA? AIDA stands for simple and powerful formula: attention, interest, desire, action. Attention is the first line or first 2 to 3 seconds of any ad. How attention works? You can relate it with you. After watching first 2 to 3 seconds or the first line, you decided whether you will see the video or scroll to the next one. Purpose of attention: to stop the people from scrolling, to hit them emotionally, and to show their actual problem. And if your attention or hook is weak, then people will scroll away. They won't see your video, they won't take any action. It is said that attention is the modern currency. Attention is equal to 70% of meta ad success. People stop scrolling when they find out this is exactly my problem. They are talking about me. This is the situation what I am feeling right now. And I struggle with this every day. When people feel this is me, they are actually talking about me, they stop scrolling and start watching your ad. So attention works when you show the biggest desire, pain and fear in the first line or first 2 to 3 seconds of your video. Suppose you are selling an English spoken course. Now you can say, still afraid to speak in front of other? Want to speak English confidently within a few weeks? How interest works? After capture attention, the next step is in interest. Attention stop scrolling, but the interest creates the desire to complete the whole video. So in this part, make the viewer curious, talk about their problem, give value, and obviously show what you can do for them. Make them think, this sound good, tell me more, this can solve my problem. And if you fail to do so, people will scroll away even after noticing your video. For example, you can say, learn English naturally without memorizing any vocabulary or grammar rules. You are giving a solution to a problem. Or you can say personalized coaching design from beginner to advanced level. Now, how desire works? Make people want the transformation which is offered by you. This is totally emotion based. This happens when they feel, I need this. This can change my life. I don't want to miss this opportunity. So, if you are running a spoken English course, then you can hit them emotionally to join your course. Suppose, why people join on English course? They feel embarrassed when they talk with others. They feel shy at the time of their interview. They lose huge career opportunity. Shy in different social situations. When your ads highlight their problem, it's triggered them emotionally and makes them think, oh, I don't want to feel this anymore. I want to change my life. This emotional push can improve your sale. For an example, if you say, we can teach spoken English, it's just information. But if you say, do you feel nervous while speaking in English? It's time to speak confidently. Don't feel embarrassed anywhere. This is where you exactly tell them what to do. Because most people don't take action by their own, don't understand what to do, keep delaying, thinking that I will do it later. So, guide them clearly, create an urgency, and the best part is remove their confusion so they can join on your course. If your action is improved, people will send message, book a session, call you, join on your course or purchase the product. And if your action is weak, they will do nothing. For example, you can say, click here to join our course. Click learn more, know more details. Join and start speaking confidently within a month. So that how can AIDA model be a game changer? Find the right AIDA model for your business. If you cannot find out, then just let me know in the comment box. I will help you. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next video.